Hello everybody, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the Awesome Studios. Now, thank you guys for giving me 20 subscribers. So, going to be upload this video for my top 5 Rubik's Cube. So, let's get into it. First of my cube is this one, the mini Type 3. Now, this one doesn't play full, but I also like it because it spins a lot and it's very quality, but the corner cut is not fast at all. You can see it spins very fast when I bought this cube, but instead it has no stickers, so it doesn't really work well. So yeah, I pretty like this cube. For number 2 is this, the Rubik's twist. So it doesn't need to play full with this Rubik's cube, but instead is that I have watching a video that your target is you have a Rubik's twist that was lined across, and your target is to making a ball or what shape you want. So yeah, this is my another cube. And number 3 is this, my first Type 3 Rubik's cube. So this one is not spin a lot, but I like its quality because it doesn't pop well, and it's been very good. Instead, its stickers won't be ended. You can see his inside here. So yeah. Oh, forget to tell you, this cube is from the Dancing of the cube. So yeah, I have just looked at his. Next cube is my favorite, my fastest Rubik's cube. Now I don't know what this brand is called because I have this little picture on it, and it's also stickerless. It's like can't wrap off his sticker, but it's been a lot faster. You can see you can spin all the way. It's very fast, and you can see his inside mechanism. You can probably see it, but instead its corner cut is much good after all. And another corner cut is 45 degrees and it's half QE. So yeah, and it spins a lot, so you can see it spins a lot. And yeah, next, my final cube is the THX 4x4 Rubik's cube. Now this cube I didn't very like it because, but after that when I solve it, it spins a lot more faster, and you can corner cut or something instantly. As you can see, you can see inside mechanism. So yes, very smooth. So yeah, now here is one of the top 5 Rubik's cube that I wanted. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and also gonna very thank you to you guys giving me 20 subscribers. I hope next time let's try to get into 40 subscribers if we can do it. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye. Just kidding.